Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm back with another video, and today here on Jex Kicks we have another unboxing that you guys really been asking for. It's for the Supreme wool hooded work jacket right here, and I know that this item came out a long time ago and I'm just now doing the unboxing. Not really gonna be an unboxing, but it's gonna be more like just showing it off and giving you guys my input on it, kind of like a review. So I got it for you guys right here. I know you guys been wanting it, and I just been super busy, so that's why this video is late. But I want to say thank you guys so much for your patience. Especially on my main channel, Jex Gaming. Make sure you guys check that out. That's where I've been. So if you guys are interested in anything in gaming, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to Jex Gaming, because that's where all the content is. And also, more content's going to be here as, you know, we get new releases, new shoe releases, and Supreme releases as well. And I just did an unboxing for the Supreme Catwoman hoodie and beanie. So if you guys want to check that out, make sure you guys go ahead and check out that video after this. We got a lot of content for you guys. So yeah, so off rip, we're going to go ahead and show off the jacket, and then we'll get in the video there. Alright, so here it is right here. As you guys can see, it looks really nice. Just showing you guys what it looks like on a hanger, and we'll try it on as well. But first off, I want to show you guys a couple cool details with it. So obviously I got the yellow one. Yellow and gold are my favorite colors. That's honestly why I got the gray Catwoman hoodie as well. But as you guys can see here, got the gold, got the brown, got the blue, and we got the blue inside. I just thought the blue inside was super unique, and that's probably the main reason that really like stuck out with me with this jacket. And it's super comfy. I cannot stress it enough. If you guys don't have this, if you guys do not have this hoodie and you guys are planning on picking it up, that's why you're watching this, I highly recommend it. The quality is insane. Look at that. The quality is insane. And then yeah, the blue on it looks just really nice. It complements the yellow really well with this hoodie. And also, it has a quilted inside. A quilted inside, which is very premium. Feels very premium with the quilted inside, and it feels good just to have the quilted inside as well. And so, whenever you have quilt inside of a jacket, you know it just feels premium. So that's mainly another reason why I liked it. But overall, it looks really nice, as you guys can see here on the inside. And here's the other side of it as well. And so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try it on real quick, and then we'll end the video there. Alright, so here's what it looks like. Yeah, I'm wearing the American Psycho shirt as well, as you guys can see. But here's what it looks like on body with the hoodie on as well. This is what it looks like when you zip it up. Like I said, it's about to be winter time, right? This jacket right here is super warm, like super warm, super comfy. This is so chill, and I like how it's very, like, you don't even know it's Supreme until you really see, because there is a Supreme logo right here, as you guys can see here, right here. I know a lot of people are waiting for the Supreme sale. I honestly, if you want to see if it will go on sale, you can wait then. But while it's in stock, I know the red one sold out. I'm surprised this one didn't. While it's here, might as well just pick it up, because this is definitely worth it. You would regret missing out on this for sure. Here's the back as well. There's the back. Here's what it will look like without the hoodie on. You still see the blue on the inside of the hoodie, which looks really nice. Then you unzip it again. Got the blue, got the quilted inside as well. So overall, it's a really nice jacket. I like it a lot. But overall, I really like this jacket, and I highly suggest you guys get it. Oh, I just noticed this. What? There's more pockets in the inside. Guys, I've had this jacket for weeks. I had it since it first released. This is my first time realizing it has inside pockets. What? Okay, so it's just on this side. So there's pockets on the inside here, pockets on obviously down below, and I believe there's another pocket. Yeah, so there's no other pockets. So you have a total of 3 different pockets, which looks really nice. It feels good. It's super comfy, and it's nice and stylish too. It's something chill. It's something low key, and just the color palettes really look nice. Honestly, I might go back and get another one of these, or the black one, possibly the red one. The red one's my least favorite, but definitely either another one of these or the black one. And if it does go on sale, I'm definitely copping. So really dope. If you guys are thinking about buying this, I highly recommend it. You won't regret it. I promise you, you won't regret it. You can throw on some really nice fits with this too. So hey, if I were you, if you're thinking about getting this, just get it. Trust me, you will love the materials. It's very high quality, very warm, keeps you comfy and nice while being stylish. Hey, You can't go wrong with that. All right, so that's pretty much it for this review. Make sure you guys check out my other reviews as well and my other unboxings on the channel. Make sure you guys check out all that. More videos to come on Jex Kicks. I might be going for some new items this week as well for Supreme. We'll see what the retail price is looking like for a couple of the items, but expect an unboxing and review on those as well. So yeah, that's it. That's the jacket. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm signing out. Peace.